everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a detailed video of how I make resin keychains and all the resin stuff which I do. So this video I had shot long back and I am doing the intro right now because I hadn't done the intro for that video and I had just started shooting that video. The video is basically just a process of how I make the resin keychains which I have posted on my Instagram as well. So as most of you liked the resin artwork which I had done in one of my previous videos, which was birthday gifts videos, people also asked me to do a separate video on resin art. So I thought why not just record whatever resin pieces I'm making that day and just compile it into a video and post it on YouTube. So that's what is gonna happen in today's video, and let's get started. So that is the whole process of the resin alphabet keychains which I had made, and they had turned out really nice. And I had made these for my friends because they wanted it, and so I had chosen particular letters, and I'll attach the pictures in the next clip. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the whole process of the resin art. And if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. I will also post the pictures of these keychains on my Instagram account as well. I will attach the username somewhere here or here. And also I have the link in the description box below. And also let me know down in the comments if you want me to try another type of art form, and I will try my level best to make a video on that as well. And also let me know in the comments if you want more videos on resin art as well. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.